Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. You know what goes great with a grilled pork chop or a piece of grilled chicken? This. I just happen to have 3 nectarines, so I just cut them in half. This is about 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to add some cayenne pepper to it. About a teaspoon's worth. Just combine those two things. There we go. I have a hot grill. What I did was I brushed a little bit of vegetable oil on the surface, just with a paper towel. Real quick, vegetable oil. I'm going to dip the cut side of these nectarines into this mixture. We're going to sear that on. This only takes about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to flip them over through lovely little grill marks. Nectarines are getting kind of softened. So now I put a little bit of blue cheese, crumbled blue cheese, right in the center. Then you can use either heavy whipping cream or half and half. Just a little drizzle of cream on the top, because cream and nectarines. I'm going to close the top, and then when that cheese is nice and soft, they're ready. That's it. That was another 2 minutes. I'll put them on my serving plate. Wow, so simple, so packed with flavor. Between the blue cheese and the cayenne and the brown sugar, this is just such a great accompaniment to, well, just about anything. In fact, right now I'm going to go grill up some chicken.